Hello, this is Jessica Tipton, Associate Professor and Librarian at Johnson County Community College. Today I'm going to show you how to find peer-reviewed articles in Summon. To get to Summon, go to the library website, library.jccc.edu. The Summon search box will be right on the main page. Let's say that I want to find research articles about chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, also known as COPD. I'll type in chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, which I'll put in quotes. I put quotes around this as it's a more exact search. I want to keep these words together in the articles I find. I do not want to find articles with chronic in the first paragraph and pulmonary somewhere on another page with no real relation to each other. I always put quotes around key phrases, names, medical conditions, or really just any words I want to stay together in my results. I'll click on Search and take a look at what I find. It looks like I found over 4,000 results. Let's find a way to narrow this down to get to the articles that will actually help me with my project. To start, I'm going to click on Peer Review and Journal Articles on the left. I know that I want articles written by and reviewed by experts, published in journals for my paper. That took out a few thousand of my results. It's still a lot, but at least now I know that I have the types of articles I need. Let's also limit this to recent articles, as I want to see the latest research on my topic. I'll move the slider bar under the word publication date and limit my search to articles published in the last 10 years. I can learn more about the articles below by reading the summary or abstract of the article. You can click on Preview under the article information to get to this. To get to citation help in Summon, click on the quotes next to the article title. Choose your format, and someone will create the citation for you. Be sure to double check this against your professor's requirements to make sure that you have everything you need. To get to the full article, just click on its title and you'll be taken directly to it. I hope this helps you get started. If you need any other assistance, please ask one of the librarians. We're happy to help.